welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. So today we are doing kind of a hodgepodge of things. We're going to start out with a little dehydrating. We're going to plant a sunflower, and I've got a couple of little things that I want to talk about. But first of all, I want to do a big shout out. I had a huge surprise today. Papa knew about it, but I didn't, and I got a gift in the mail. I know this is really bright. There's a lot of white in my camera, but I got a coffee tumbler from Yellow Rose Homestead. Papa won one in their subscriber giveaway, and I just kind of raved about it because it was so neat. It had his name on. They sent me one. It has Yellow Rose Homestead, and it has Mama Z in it, and I just absolutely love it. So if you are not subscribed to Yellow Rose Homestead, they just put a down payment on their homestead. They are cross-country truck drivers, and they are fixing to start their homesteading journey. I'm so excited for them. Thank you guys so much. I didn't know you guys were doing this, and it just means the world to me. I will, if y'all know anything about me, I am a coffee-aholic. I will cherish this. Thank y'all so much. I have one other thing I want to show y'all real quick. Give me my soap over there. Also received the other day in the mail some goat soap. I haven't used it yet because I've been wanting to show it to y'all. From Heavenly Dreams Dairy Goats, she sent me 2 bars of goat soap. One is vanilla oat, and the other is birthday cake. Guys, this stuff is amazing. I'm fixing to start making soap as well, but the coloring on this stuff is absolutely amazing. Please go check their channel out. They're a fairly new channel, but they also have a Facebook page. You can buy her soap from her, but I'm telling you, I am going to do a test, a wear test, leather, all this stuff. I plan to do a separate video on it, and go check them out. They are Heavenly Dreams Dairy Goats. They are a channel on Facebook. Please, or I mean on YouTube. Please go check them out. I will link them down below. I will link both of these channels. Go check them out. They're absolutely amazing. Okay, let's get started with today's video. We're doing 2 things today. I'm going to be dehydrating some apples, but I'm also going to dehydrate some strawberries. So I have just used my little apple core that I've shown y'all how to do before. So, and it's spiral cuts, and I've also kind of soaked these in a little bit of lemon juice. You don't really have to do that, but it just kind of keeps your apples pretty. And then we're just going to lay these out. And this takes about 8 hours. So y'all aren't going to see the end product. I'll show you in maybe a later video. Or if you follow me over on Facebook, I do have a business page. Maybe I'll post a picture there of what it looks like when it's done. But they are a great snack for your family. Absolutely love them. I'll show you too what I did some lemons and limes the other day that I'm going to use for soap. And I am absolutely loving this Presto Dehydrator. This is, you know, for a $40 dehydrator, it is well worth it. I think we've already gotten our money's worth out of it. And it does really stack up easily in stores well, you know, because it folds up compact. And then I'm gonna put, because the strawberries won't take as long, I don't think, as these apples do. I'm gonna put the apples on the top. I mean the strawberries on top. I'm gonna put the strawberries on top. Okay. Okay, so I had to rearrange it a little bit. So I put the strawberry on top, and then I'm gonna set the lid on it, and then I'll plug it in to get it started. But before we do that, I'm gonna set this aside. We're not gonna start it just yet because it gets a little loud. We're gonna plant a sunflower. So we'll be right back. I'm gonna move this over, and then I'm going to bring my plant over. And then I've got something that I wanna share with you, but I wanted to show you because we have this over here so I can show you what they look like when they're dehydrated. We have just a couple left. Literally, this is what's left in the bag. So they are so good. My family went to town on these little apple chips. They are just amazing. And they taste good, and they're a healthy snack. Your family's gonna absolutely love them. I'm really looking forward to these strawberries. You know, you get the healthy cereal, and I use that word loosely, that gets marketed to you, and they have the dehydrated strawberries in it. You can make your own, and I promise you, it's a much healthier alternative. Okay, we're gonna move this, clean up a little bit, and then we're gonna plant a sunflower. We'll be right back. Okay, I started this cute little sunflower. This was just literally kind of an experiment. I had never grown a sunflower before, and this little booger shot up, and as you can see, it has got roots for miles. And I thought, you know, I'll go ahead and just put it in a grow bag and sit it out front. We're down here in Southeast Texas. We're technically past our last frost date, except it's supposed to get down to 23 degrees tonight. But my baby sunflower, it needs to get in some dirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a grow bag, because everything I have to grow is going into grow bags here in my apartment. And we'll just keep it in the house, and hopefully tonight and tomorrow will be our last big freezes. And then I can set it out where I'm going to put it, which is up next to the house, and it'll be fine. I have got, this is a grow bag I used last year. This has got some great mulch in it. I added some more potting mix in with it, and I'm really excited. So let's hope this little filler does good. I'm really excited about my little sunflower, but we'll see. I will update you on my little sunflower. It's the only one that I've got going. So because it grows so big, I didn't want to grow a ton of them, and you know, I didn't know how the apartment management would feel about these big, huge mammoth flowers. So, you know, we'll see. But, so I wanted to touch on what may be an unpopular topic, but I'm I wanted to share something with you guys. You know, we've all seen the umpteen million jillion political posts over on other social media, even on YouTube. And I am under the opinion that it gets completely and totally overwhelming on whatever political side you're on. And I, for one, avoid the subject like a plague. We all have our opinions, right? And I have something I want to throw out here. If you are passionate about getting involved in politics, I would challenge you to get involved in your local communities, because that's where you could have the greatest impact. Vote in your local elections. If you live within the city limits, vote for your city councilman. Vote in your mayor races. If you live outside the city, vote in your county elections. Vote for your school boards, because that's where you can have your greatest impacts. Those are the elections that truly count for something. I have a friend that's on the city council here in Conroe. I have another friend that is running for city council. I know people in the mayor's office. Vote for those elections, because those are the elections that affect your daily life. Ranting and raving on social media only hurts people, and it hurts the ones that you love, and really don't have a greater impact on anything. So I challenge you, get involved in your local communities, because that's where you're going to have the greatest impact. Get involved with your schools. Get involved in making the world a better place. I wish you all the best. And through this political climate where everybody's angry at each other, I challenge you to love your neighbor. You know, I'm Christian, but I love everybody of every faith, because, you know, I read in the Bible where Jesus said, they will know you by the way you love. And I stand by that. And I hope you do too. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.